Hello subscriber and watcher, in today's tutorial we will see how you can insert or delete the cell, as well as we will see how you can insert or delete the particular column or row, and we will also see how you can hide and unhide the particular column or row. So this thing we will see in today's tutorial. Suppose here some information I have already put here. Suppose I am clicking on this cell and just right click and select the insert option. Which option? Insert. Then four options gets available for you. I am selecting the first one, shift cell right. Okay, this option is shift cell right. Once I click, what happen? Whatever the values are there in this row, it will be shifted in the right hand side. Okay, again I am clicking on the same cell, click on insert option again and selecting now second option, shift cell down. Means after doing this, what happen? Whatever the cells are there present in downside, that will be shifted again in the downside. Okay, so in this way you can perform this operation. Now I am clicking on first cell and click on now delete option. In the delete option, now I am selecting first one, shift cell left. So after selecting this, we go back in the previous cell, means whatever the values are there, it will be shifted in left hand side. Now I want to delete this. So when I delete this, I select again delete and I select shift cell up. After selecting this, whatever the downside values are there, it will be shifted in upside. So in this way you can perform inserting and deleting operation over the cell. Once again I am doing now insert operation after clicking on cell, and now I select the entire row option. After selecting entire row, the first here the row is generated and the values will be shifted downside, or you can say this particular values will be selected in the adjusted in the next row. Then after that again I right click and select the delete operation, and here delete entire row, so that row will be deleted and value will be shifted in upside. Then again I click and select insert operation and select the last one, enter entire column. Then what happen? The column will be inserted and the values of the column will be shifted in right hand side. Then I do the reverse operation, delete entire column, it will be deleted and that value will come back in the left hand side. So in this way we perform insert and delete. Suppose now I am in B, I want to delete this, so simply click on delete, it will be deleted. Now I am in the first, here this information I want to delete, simply click on delete. So in this way also easily you can perform insert and delete. So as here you understood delete, suppose here I want to insert, so simply click on insert, the row is inserted. Or here I want to, here I am right click and select here insert option operation, then here this particular row is selected, particular column is selected. Now I click on delete, that column is deleted. So in this way you can easily perform insert and delete operation over the row and column. Okay, so now the last step is hide and unhide. Suppose I want to hide this C, so simply select hide option, it is hidden. Now I want to get back this particular hidden column. So what you do, unhide option you select, so it is coming back. Suppose again I am clicking on third row and selecting hide, so it is hidden. Now I am selecting both and unhide option I am selecting, now it is coming. So in this way you can perform hide and unhide also. So I hope friend you understood this basic tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So if you are new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.